Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a very long time, and to be fair, I've been quite nervous about making this video because it's been, I think, like half a year since I last uploaded, so it's been a long time. I know loads of you have commented on my YouTube videos, sent me Instagram messages, lots of stuff like that, basically asking me questions about some of my cars, the previous one, this one, how I did this, how I did that. Some of you have said, oh yeah, I've got a video coming out for this, and I've just not uploaded it. So I feel really bad in that sense, which is why making this video actually is quite hard, because I've promised so much to some people and just haven't delivered, and I hate that feeling. But there's reasons why I haven't uploaded. Obviously COVID-19 and the whole coronavirus pandemic being the main one of them. I've still been working like this whole time. I've not stopped because I'm in retail. So it's been very difficult for me. But I'm not going to make this video about why I've not uploaded, because I don't want it to be that. I want it to be a happy video, showing you guys actually what's gone on with my car, because just because I've not been uploading does not mean that I haven't done anything to the car, because I have actually. So yeah, I'm excited to show you guys what's been happening over the course of that 6 months, actually what's going on in the future, and basically what I've got set up. And if I can get the videos that I promised to get out before, I will definitely try and get them. I think because they're like old videos, I really don't want to do them, and I want to sort of start fresh, but at the same time I think once I get them done and over the way with, that'll be really good for me, and it'll be good for the channel as well, because obviously there's parts on here I filmed videos for and I just not uploaded them, and I really need to. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I've done to the car, and we're going to do some cinematic shots. I've also got something really new and exciting which I think is going to add like a whole new level to my videos, which I'm sure you saw a weird clip at the beginning of the video, and it's to do with that. So I'll go into that and I'll show you guys what's been happening on the car. Okay, so first of all, coming to the front of the car, I've fitted some TRC headlight brows, and I've got them color coded in the magnetic grey that my car is. I'm sorry for how shaky this is going to be because I'm just holding my camera and it is really heavy. I don't know if you've seen my camera, but it's really, really heavy. So yeah, TRC headlight brows on the front of the car, color coded to the magnetic grey, and I think they look really good. They do actually make it look more aggressive on the front. I don't know if you guys have seen before, but I did fit a yellow toe strap as well, just something a little bit extra to add to the yellow theme that I've got going for this car, obviously. So yeah, that's the front of the car. I do have plans for the front of the car though. So I actually have ordered some Zon Sport grills in black, the upper and the lower set. And to be honest, I've seen them on the other MK8 STs where they've kept their normal front grille and just put it over the top, so you still see the little ST badge. I don't really want that. I'm going to go for like a full blacked out look at the front, so black grills. Obviously I've got the gloss black fog lights around. I want the other bit around that to go gloss black as well, which I have got a quote from the people that did the headlight brows. So I'm going to be going ahead with that soon. And like I said, Zon Sport grills I've got, and I also bought myself a ST line front grille for this car, obviously. So those ones on the ST lines come in gloss back, so that should make things a little easier with that. And then obviously the Zon Sport grille just goes over, and I don't have an ST badge, so no one knows it's an ST. Maybe that's not a look some people like to go for, but I just want to go for the full blacked out look. So let me know what you guys think of that. I think personally it's going to look pretty cool, and that's all I care about, to be fair, but I want to know your comments as well. So next we come to the back of the car. Obviously I posted this on Instagram and I do have the video, but just here we have the Delta spoilerizer for the MK8 ST, again color coded in metallic grey. I would have gone for black, but I just want the whole car to like match and flow. I don't want to just have bits here and there, different colour. So obviously I want the blacked out look for the front. Obviously I've got my yellow decals, and then just everything else colour coded. So that's why I got the headlight brows colour coded, the spoilerizer just behind me colour coded. So yeah, I just don't want to overdo it with the colours and everything, because I want everything to flow it to be nice and actually like his car's not too much, it's just right, you know. So that's what I've done there. I've just got it color coded in the metallic grey. And like I said, I have recorded a video for that. I did go to Delta to get that fitted, recorded the video there, and I just need to upload it and finish editing it. But I will do that very soon, hopefully. This is my promise that I am not delivering, but I will try, okay? I will honestly try to get that install video up and on the channel. Now, again, at the back of the car, opening the boot, I don't know if you can see just behind me, but I have a K-brace from BAF Motorsport, or BAF Motorsport. Yeah, this was like one of those group buys on the MK8 Fiesta page, and same with the Sunsport grills actually. So obviously the more people that join in, you get a bigger discount. And I thought, do you know what, why not? So I got myself one of those, got it in yellow. You'll have to excuse like the crap in the back of my car. I'm not cleaning it out just for a video. So yeah, I got myself one of those, and actually I suppose you can kind of notice a difference. It does sort of stiffen the car up a bit. It wasn't too, I'll say it wasn't too much of a pain to fit, but actually, yeah, a little bit of cutting the carpet and pulling the sides out and everything. A little bit of a pain, but I got it fitted and I think it looks pretty good. You can still use the rear seats fine. I like to have mine down. I've got one set up at the moment just because every now and again someone jumps in the back of my car. So yeah, I've got like, I normally have like both my seats down. In the end, maybe just remove the rear seats completely and then just have like a false floor and all that jazz. But for now, I'm just gonna have to just fold the seats down because it's just practical having all the seats. So yeah, but I got one of those, and I think that's pretty much all that I've done recently. Obviously, I've got the Sunsport grills coming. Actually, no, it's not all I've done recently, and I'm gonna have to start the cut for this one because basically I wanted more induction noise. So I have the Mountune induction kit currently. I am thinking of possibly swapping it out for the Revo one, or I did message ITG ages ago, see if they're making an induction kit, and they said they'd get back to me, and maybe like we could do something. So obviously I did my install for the 1 litre induction kit, and they haven't come up with anything yet. The Revo one's really expensive, like 200 odd quid. I know I spent that on the Mountune one, but I also didn't want to just go out and be like, oh yeah, no, I'm just going to swap it over. So I wanted more noise from the car. So I got myself a Go Faster Bits. I can't remember what it was. I think it's a GFB, I think VTA Plus or whatever. Anyway, it's the one that makes more noise, and it honestly sounds like my car sneezes, which, take it as you will, like hay fever season, I get hay fever, I sneeze all the time. My car, it sounds like that's got hay fever too. But I'm gonna fire up the car in a minute and let you guys hear what that sounds like. Maybe some of you might think it's too much. I actually quite like it. It gives you that extra sort of atmospheric sound when you change gear, when you rev it up. So like I was saying, the Sunsport grills are on order currently, group buy, really, really good price. I think I got like 25% off. So that was really good. So they're coming. Obviously, I've got the black grill already from the ST line. I ordered myself a high flow throttle body elbow as well. Not the Mountune one, although I really wanted the Mountune one. When it came to it, they didn't have any in stock, and I ended up pre-ordering the Psycho Development one instead. Their stuff's actually really good. Obviously, I've got the Psycho Development spaces on my car. I've bought stuff from there previously, like the turbo elbow for the 1 litre. I think I've got that from Psycho Development. So actually, like, I've bought quite a lot from there, and you know, they're starting to make their own stuff, which is really good, and it's nice to see a company expanding. So I thought I'd go ahead and pre-order myself one of those. Obviously, they're not released yet, so I can't do that yet as well. But I do have these things coming, and I'm really excited to see where actually this car goes. And then it's just like, yeah, the little bits like the front of the car, the fog light surrounds. Yeah, I think it should be very interesting. Eventually I do want to get a wrap, but that's in the future when I'm earning a lot more money, and when I can afford it. Yeah, in the meantime though, I do want to try and get back into doing YouTube and creating content for you guys, actually showing you how to do stuff and showing off my car. I've been quite lucky that currently I've been able to go to car meets and stuff because I've got my evenings back, as my job has ever so slightly changed. So it's actually nice to go out and interact at car meets and stuff again, because for a long time I couldn't because of work, which sucks, but at least I have that ability now. And to be honest, I do have a lot of extra free time. Obviously, like I said, my job's changed slightly, so I do have that extra free time. Obviously, work does take a lot out of me, but yeah, I think it'd be good to get back into YouTube and creating content. So hopefully you guys want that too, and you'll be there to support me. And I will do my best to support you guys when you ask me for help, rather than, you know, just avoiding it, I suppose, in a way. So sorry about that. Yeah, so that's pretty much everything that's been happening over that 6 months. All right, the mods aren't like a huge amount, but you know, like I said, I've been busy with other stuff, and yeah, and I'm in a really good place right now. So I did want to start making videos again and actually fulfilling my promises on helping people and doing stuff to the car. So I should be doing more in the future. And also, like I said at the beginning of the video, there's something a little bit extra that I have now, a new bit of equipment that should add something completely different to my videos. If you know me, I enjoy making more of the cinematic videos, the car show videos. I love making those, actually getting those shots. I do honestly just prefer doing those over the vlog type videos. I know I just feel a little bit awkward, I suppose. But like I said, the piece of equipment that I got is a drone, and I know all the laws and all the things related to that. So I have been doing my research extensively beforehand, which I would urge anyone to do the same. But hopefully you can enjoy a little bit of footage from that, and obviously the stuff that I record on my camera and my GoPro, just to add that into the mix. Anyway, enjoy the end footage of some of the shots I got with that. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Hopefully it won't be 6 months. If you've enjoyed this, then leave me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about the things that I have done. If you want any advice, then message me on Instagram, ash_MK8_ST, or obviously just leave a comment on my YouTube video, and I will get back to you, because I will be better, and I will use this as a promise that I will get better and actually interact with you guys more and create more content. So yeah, until the next video, which won't be too long, I will see you guys then.